guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zoe and it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a school supply haul for my first year of university. I am going to university this fall and I decided to do a haul to show you guys what I got because it's the first year that I've bought things not last minute. Before I start, I just want to apologize for this background. If you're new here, you wouldn't know, but this is not my normal background. Usually I film in my bedroom, but I'm currently packing to go to Europe for a month, so it's a complete disaster. So I'm filming down here. I hope it is satisfactory. But yeah, definitely subscribe if you are not already because I'm going to have some pretty amazing Europe vlogs going up in the near future. So with that said, let's just get on with the video. So first I'm going to be showing you guys the most important thing, which is a planner. This is a Kate Spade 2018 to 2019 planner. It's just off-white with some black dots. Planners are a must in my opinion. I cannot do half of my homework if I didn't have planner. I would just forget about it. This one's really nice. You have some gold stickers here in the front and a page to put all the birthdays and celebrations. And then this is what an inside page looks like. There's a lot of space, which I love, and there's also lines, so it'll keep your writing organized. And they have little blue tabs here for each month. And then at each month, there's like a word, like a new rare word to learn, which, you know, is a cute little detail. This will definitely be getting a lot of use this year. Then I got a lot of notebooks. Well, not a lot, only 5 because I'm only taking 5 classes. So I have a 1 subject black 5-star, 1 subject blue 5-star, and a 1 subject bright blue 5-star. So this will be for film, drama, and Spanish. And then I have a 2 subject 5-star black notebook for English or psychology, and a white 2 subject 5-star notebook for English or psychology. Then I got this pack of lined paper just to keep on my desk in case I need a loose leaf. Yeah, that's basically just why I bought it. I didn't really know what to get for college, so if you think I'm missing something, please leave me a nice comment down below. Then I got 5 folders for my 5 classes. I got a pinkish red color, dark blue, purple, yellow, and bright blue. Then I got one of these eraser pencil holder things. I don't know, I've had these before and I find this so much more useful than just a little stubby eraser because I feel like those could get lost really easily. But this one, you always know where it is because it's like the size of a pencil and it works really well, which is obviously what it's meant to do. Then I got a stapler. This is just a regular old dark blue stapler. It's about the size of my hand. And of course, to go along with that, I got 10,000 staples. Then I also got a staple remover because I have had to use these before and they're obviously super useful. So I just wanted to get my own. Then I got pens. I got 3 blue, 2 black, and 1 red Papermate pen. I don't know how good these are. I have actually never used them before, but I hope they're good. If they're not, I'll have to get other pens. Then I feel like English in college is going to be kind of more intense, so I got these little post-it flyer pointer things so that you can put them in the book you're reading and it like points to an important information. I think that would be also good for like a psychology textbook. I don't know. Then I thought this would be super useful for my desk to just sit there, so I got these Miami color-coded Post-its. Then I got a handy dandy ruler just in case I need one. I'm not taking math, so this may be super pointless, but we'll see. Then I got some ink because I got a printer because I'm gonna be living all by myself and I need my own printer, but I did not bring that down here with me, so I just have the ink to show you. Then I got 1 binder because personally I don't use binders. I only use folders. I've really never used a binder other than like science in high school because there was a lot of papers, but yeah, I don't really use binders. But I got a 1-inch one just in case I do need one. I'll have it. Obviously if I need more I can go buy more, but yeah, I just got 1 binder. Then I got a pack of pencils. These are 24 mechanical pencils. I get this brand every single year. They're the best pencils ever. They work so well. Then I got a pack of black fine tip Sharpies just because I feel like those are super handy dandy to have around. Then I got this set of fine liner pens. They're the like multicolored ones because I don't know, these, like if you had these in high school you were so cool. But yeah, I really like these pens. They write really well and they're in every single color, so if I need a different color I have it. And then I got some regular lead pencils because I don't know, maybe in exams I need these just to be safe. And then I also got a sharpener. Then I got a pack of highlighters. I really like this pack because it gave you like the green, blue, orange, pink, as well as 4 yellow ones. but then it also gives you another yellow one that's like the better version. I've always had this better kind, but I wanted more yellows because in like the pack with this special yellow, it was only one yellow and like one blue, one green, one orange, one pink. So instead I got this, so I have many yellows, and I also have like the little special one. That was a really long explanation, you probably don't care. Then I got white out because if you make a mistake and you don't want to start all over, you just white it out and you can write on top. And I really like this white out because they have like the brush for like big mistakes, and then it also has part of the whiteout is like a pen, so you can like literally write over a letter and it'll be like super thin. Then I got some things for my desk at Ikea. They're still in its packaging, so I'll just like insert a picture on the screen. But I got this desk lamp. I find it looks really modern and it's really useful because the tip of it where like the light comes out is mobile, so like you can move it to be higher up, higher, like lower down, or just move it side to side. So yeah, I thought it was super useful, and it's white. The theme of my room will be white, gray, and black. So that matches. I also got a bedside table lamp. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a lantern. I know it doesn't really fit in like a school supply haul, but it's such a cool lantern that I thought I would show it anyways. It reminds me of like the lanterns in Tangled, but yeah, this will be on my bedside table. Then I got this mason jar. I don't know what I'm gonna put in this. I will find a use for this, but I don't know just now what I'm gonna put in it. Maybe I'll put no. And then I got this organizer. Again, I'll show a picture of it, but it basically comes with like one cup for like your pens, pencils, highlighters, whatever to put on your desk. And then it comes with 2 little cups where I'm going to be putting binder clips and paper clips. And it comes with a 3rd little cup that has like the spiky things. I don't really know how to describe it, where you put, where you can cut tape. So yeah, I thought this was like super useful. So then I also got 2 tape rolls to put in that little tape bin. I don't know what to call it. By the way, all the supplies I got is from Staples, and then obviously those few little contraptions I just showed are from Ikea. And this last thing is from Winners. It's this super cute garbage bin. Again, it's white, so it'll match my room, and it says keep clean on the front. So it has a little step here to open it, and inside the garbage just comes out with like a little handle. So that was everything that I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I am so sad that the school season is approaching. I mean, I'm excited to go to university, but I'm like, I don't really want to do homework. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you have an amazing school year, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to Europe tomorrow, so excited. You'll see the vlogs. Bye.